Tadasana, or mountain pose. This will be your home base, where we'll learn the integrative actions that will carry with you through standing poses. To begin, start with your feet hip-width distance apart, parallel to each other, toes pointed straight ahead. Push the mounds of your feet and your heels into the ground and feel your inner and outer arches lift up towards the muscles of your legs. As you do that, feel how the muscles of your thighs hug strong to the bone. Lift your kneecaps to engage your quadriceps a little more. Place your hand to the front of your belly and to your low back, and give the smallest drawing down of your tailbone and feel the muscles of your belly engage. Lengthen through your spine, broaden through your collarbones and your chest. Let your hands come next to your hips and spread and activate through the bones and muscles of your hands. Draw your shoulders back and align your ears right over the tops of your shoulders. Feel the energy moving through you and take a few deep breaths in and out here. As you breathe in, feel the rib cage expand wide, and as you breathe out, feel it draw towards the midline. One more deep breath. And then let everything release.